Hi, I'm Dick Johnson, and today, are you freaking kidding me? You got this all over my nice shirt. My grandma got me this shirt.
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. Put the camera back up on me. Damn it. All right. Anyway, we're here to show you several ways on how to open up a pickle jar. I'm gonna pass it off to my friend, Seymour Butts.
Thanks, Dick Johnson. I know that in the past I've had quite a few struggles on pickle jar myself. Here are a couple methods that I think would be very helpful.
Let's start off with something simple, passing the responsibility to someone else. Remember, it's always handy to have a friend on hand to help out. Oh yeah! Don't have a friend to help you out because you're a sad, lonely loser? Well, guess what? There's a solution. You can use a grip. This way, your tiny little baby hands will be able to pull that lid off with no problem whatsoever. Oh yeah! If more traditional methods aren't your style, maybe some psychotherapy might help you open that jar. So, why don't you tell me how life has been going for you? Everything okay? Family's doing good? Job's looking nice? How are you feeling? Look, I know it's been difficult with the accident, but I want you to know that no matter what, I'm still here to help you as much as I can. But I can only help you if you let me help you. Oh yeah! Sometimes being nice isn't the way to go. Therefore, bullying should solve the problem.
You worthless piece of garbage. You'll never amount to anything in life. You're disgusting. Oh, look at me. I'm tasty and delicious. I go well with sandwiches. Yeah, that's what you sound like.
You mangy piece of garbage. You'll never amount to anything in this world. All you are is a pickle jar. You know what I am? I'm a person. I'm better than you. You'll never be anything.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly in restless dreams I walked alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone.
Sometimes just talking and talking just won't cut it. In that case, use a blowtorch.
Heat expands metal.
The efficiency behind using the blowtorch is that we're a bunch of idiots and have no idea what we're doing. Remember, kids, always try this at home.
Okay, I'm gonna try to open it. We're gonna wait for a bit.
I didn't think this far ahead. I thought it would just open.
Nope. Okay, if you see over here, we got a nice crack here.
I kinda see it.
All right, let me try it. Ooh, you see that? Very smooth action. Let's check out the contents.
Yeah, get yourself a nice pickle.
Ooh, nice and warm pickle juice. Nice and warm. Enjoy.
Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Playing around with heat and chemistry can be a lot of fun, but sometimes a more direct method is required. Enter the baseball bat.
Ho ho! では十分近づくがよい。How? He is the one.
Oh, damn, there's a car. Oh, we're not doing anything.
Let's get that again. Let's do that one more time.
Divine.
Ocean man, take me by the